What happens when Domino's takes more than 30 minutes to deliver their pizza? I have taken advantage of 30-minute free guarantee around a dozen times and I follow the same modus operandi. First condition is that the pizza guy should overshoot the 30-minute time. But there is a catch, he should overshoot it by their time which is printed on the receipt. I have observed that the time on Domino's receipt is a few minutes late than the actual time of order. This gives them a margin of couple of minutes to extend the 30-minute guarantee to 32 or 34 minutes. Therefore, when the pizza guy comes, the first thing I do is check the time of order on the receipt. If the guy is late by the time of receipt, then I ask him for the 30-minute guarantee. The delivery guy will deny the guarantee by excuses like there was a jam or he had to deliver multiple orders, etc. Just simply tell him that it is not my problem. If you promise a delivery in time, then you got to honor it. He will still deny, so don't waste time with him since he can't give it for free on his own. He needs to take permission from the manager. Just tell him to call his manager. He might give argument that if he gives for free then it will be cut from his salary, but I have confirmed it from many delivery boys that it doesn't unless a delivery boy regularly misses his deliveries. Get the pizza guy to connect you to the manager. He will himself tell the situation to the manager and manager will most probably tell to not give the pizza for free. Don't let the pizza guy to hang up with the manager since he is only going to give the same reply afterwards that manager refused, so you have to pay. Demand to talk to the manager on your own. If you will talk to the manager, then you will get standard reply that 30-minute guarantee was not available that day. Domino's doesn't suspend 30-minute guarantee unless there is some festival like Diwali or Durga Puja. Tell this to the manager and he might argue that it was Friday, so due to heavy rush they can't give 30 minutes guarantee. If a restaurant cannot honor the guarantee, then they are rule-bound to tell you in advance when you place the order. If you haven't been explicitly told, then it means the guarantee stays no matter what the manager says. Tell this thing to the manager, he will realize that he is not dealing with the amateurs here. He will agree eventually with little bit of resistance. Maximum rebate in India for 30-minute guarantee is 300 rupees. If your order was less than this, then you get it for free, but if it was higher, then you deduct Rs 300 from the bill and pay the rest of the price. Enjoy your pizza now. One of my friend once argued that we should not haggle with the delivery guy just for some Rs 300 discount. My argument is that a big corporate is making profit off me for years just by selling an overpriced piece of bread with melted cheese on it. I think I deserve to be compensated sometimes when they falter in their promised service standards. Edit. After reading comments, this answer has been an eye-opener for me. I didn't know that people are so apologetic about claiming their entitlements. I never asked Domino's to give me a 30-minute otherwise free guarantee. But Domino's, as a commitment for good service, gave me a guarantee to deliver my order in 30 minutes, and to enforce discipline on its stores it introduced the free pizza provision. If Domino's is giving me a guarantee of good service on its own, then why should I step back from enforcing my entitlements? If asking for free pizza in lieu of bad service is wrong, then by same logic I should not give 1 star to an Ola driver if he is rude to me or drives carelessly, because somehow enforcing good service is unethical in this country. Next time Amazon delivers a faulty product, I should just bottle up my frustration and accept the poor service, because asking for a refund is cheap and unethical. If a restaurant serves me terrible food, I should still give it a 5-star rating on Zomato, because I should care about the jobs of workers working there but not about the terrible experience I had. Since 1991, after the introduction of LPG, we have entered into an era where customer is actually gaining power over the seller to enforce a decent level of service. There was an era of pre-1991 times of buyer beware, when customers were at the mercy of service providers, where all one could do in case of terrible service or product is to suck it up and crib, since there was no grievance redressal mechanism at that time. But thanks to the rise of market forces in post-LPG era, today companies are forced to provide best of the services, and they themselves employ quality assurance mechanism.